Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. We're doing some interesting camera angles. Been getting some emails and we're open to anything. You know, when I was doing culinary adventures, it was unless we were in a restaurant or outside, it was a fixed set. Here, we could fix it any way we want. Got 4 LED lights and nice open space. So, you know what, man? People like quick stuff to do. And I'm doing some quick stuff, okay? Breaded, center cut pork chops, flattened, lightly breaded with just plain old breadcrumbs, man. Salt and pepper, cannabis oil. I'm almost ready to turn. Let's see. Yep, that's perfect. I'm gonna put pepper on that and a little bit of salt. And then, let's get that. That's nice, man. Now what I'm gonna do, it's like classic comfort food, okay? So, I roasted some vegetables. Combination of zucchini, red, yellow pepper, some onions, okay? Got them good and charred. I'm gonna take these patties and I'm gonna lay them onto just a few sheets of paper towels just to get whatever oil, you know, but it's cannabis oil, so it's good. Okay, and then I'm gonna put those roasted veggies. Let's see here. Make sure that's okay. I'm going to hang on here. I got some liquid to add to this. There's cannabis oil, there's keef. There's brandy tincture, there's malt vinegar, okay? It's all a nice combination. I like herbs de Provence, and there's garlic powder. There we go. Nice. Now it's ready to turn. Get that over. Nice sauce. Beautiful. Get that drenched. Get that drenched with sauce. Yeah. Okay. Now, just get that off for a second. And stack it on top of each other, just like that. Okay. Now, the roasted peppers, the roasted veggies, did in the air fryer. So, it comes with this little doily type thing, almost a giant coffee filter. Okay? So I got the color I want. I want the flavor. Now, technically, if it wasn't freezing cold out, and I think you've seen it on other videos that we've done, yeah, I'll stand out there, but out in the freezing cold, but not today. This is a convenience day. So, okay. Now, let's get these bad boys back in there. Okay, that's looking damn good, man. Now, one last thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice because lemon juice makes the world go round. and it deglazes the pan really well. So you could use any type of citrus. I like lemon. All right, and that's just a preference for me. You have your own preferences. Experiment, man. This looks great. Okay, why don't you guys join us in the dining room. Kick down the dining room door if it's locked. Okay, man. Comfort food at its best. Thanks for joining us here on #StraightPoop. Make sure you look at the graphics and get your free e-cookbook. Okay? So join us in the kitchen. I simply topped it with some capers. You know, comfort food at its best. Sometimes, man, I just don't like to slave over the kitchen. I'm sure you don't either. You know, you've been working. This series is not about, you know, cooking in 5 seconds, obviously, because we do some intensive cooking here and stuff. But today I wanted to do something easy and different. Serve a salad on the side here, you know, glass of wine, couple shots of brandy tincture. Yeah, it's great, man. And this not only does the veggies taste sweet, and when I deglazed it, it tastes very good, so have at it. Make sure you grab your free e-cookbook. It's 125 pages that I wrote in 2018. It was published that year. And it's free, 230 pages total. Go up to the comments section. There's a pin, there's a link. Click on the link and then fill out something. I think it's your email address after that, man. It'll be in your box like in 30 seconds, okay, unless you gave them a fake email address, which I doubt you would do. Okay, so we're out of here. My dogs are taking a nap, but they love seeing you here, poopers. So next time on #StraightPoop, we'll be cooking something else. Grab that free e-cookbook, okay? It's a good read. I swear a lot. So we'll see you next time. Hang loose.